Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a PUBG battery drain test in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device, friends. So in this test, we'll get to know how much the battery is capable in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device, so which has a 5000 mAh of capacity. And before starting the video, friends, if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel, friends, please, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making this kind of long and lengthy videos. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends, because it will give me some kind of encouragement. And because all of the devices which I review in my channel is bought my own with my own money. So if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using, do check the links in description, friends, for the live wallpapers. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can WhatsApp me to the number given. So after sending me the screenshot of subscribing to my channel, then I can reply to you, friends. And now let's get started with the test. So in this test, I'll be using the smooth and extreme settings, so which is the most requested settings for me in my channel to use. So better I stick only to the smooth and extreme, and with the Wi-Fi connection and 50% brightness, not with the 100%, 50% brightness, and earphones connected, friends. So another problem is that in the Redmi Note 9 Pro, with the default settings of POCO X2, you cannot play with the smooth and extreme settings, friends. So that is another disadvantage, I can say. So do check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of Redmi Note 9 Pro, so you can find plenty of videos on the Redmi Note 9 Pro alone. So you can decide whether to buy the phone or not after watching my videos, so you'll get a clear idea, friends. So let me show you the default settings, what you can actually play in the Redmi Note 9 Pro at the moment. So if that is the case, I'll be choosing the GFX tool to play with the smooth and extreme settings, as you can see, friends. So you won't get the option to play with smooth and extreme, and HDR is not at all present. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to quit the game, and I have downloaded the GFX tool application in the Play Store, and I'll be choosing the GFX tool for the test being. So let me try to select all the settings what it is. So resolution, I selected to the default settings, and graphics to smooth, and FPS 60 FPS, running quality high, extreme. So as you can see, friends, I'm choosing pretty much everything is high at the moment. So now let me try to play the game, friends, after choosing the GFX tool, and let's check how much battery we can actually play in this phone. So because I'm pretty much interested, friends, the phone has 5000 mAh of capacity, and I am just really wanted to know how many hours you can actually play the game continuously in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So this can be the best video for the gamers who are actually willing to buy the phone. So if you are a gamer and if you are willing to buy the phone, definitely, friends, you need to know how many hours you're going to play continuously in this phone. And right now, as you can see, friends, smooth and extreme settings, at the moment I am selecting that option only. And in the top you can see the real-time FPS as well. And let me begin the test, and disconnect the cable, friends, and start the stopwatch. So let me show the brightness, how much I'm using. As you can see, friends, with the 50% brightness only, and 100% battery percent right now, 100%, as you can see. And I connected to the only the Wi-Fi connection, not to the 4G or anything, so only to the Wi-Fi connection. So I'm showing you all these kind of settings because I don't want to listen the comments that the test is not realistic. So that's why I'm trying to be very clear in all my settings and what I'm doing here. Because, friends, I'm not any partial to any phones, because none of these companies are providing me any review units or anything. So just I'll be buying all these phones out of my pocket. So obviously, as you can see, friends, even I have disabled the auto brightness mode as well here. And right now I disconnected the charger, and even I started the stopwatch as well. And let me show you, friends, what is the FPS right now I'm getting at the moment. As you can see, friends, 60 FPS is maintaining consistently here at the moment with the smooth and extreme settings. I am really interested to know, friends, how long the phone can actually last with this kind of battery, 5000 mAh of battery. So definitely you guys also will be having pretty much interest in knowing how much the phone can actually survive in terms of playing the PUBG game. So again I'll be back friends after 1 hour of playing this game, and meanwhile let me check the temperature how much in the beginning it is. So you'll get a clear idea in the beginning how much the temperature, and after 1 hour of playing how much the temperature is. So you'll know whether it's increasing or not. So you can see friends clearly 32 degrees on the screen, so which got recorded the maximum, and on the back even it's somewhere close to 30. So 32 and 30 friends. So these are overall in the beginning temperature check reading. So again I'll be back after 1 hour friends. I know this video going to be very long, but at least if you watch this kind of video you'll understand why you need to buy the Redmi Note 9 Pro, whether it has very good battery backup or not while playing the PUBG game in 50% brightness. So again I'll be back friends after 1 hour. So as you can see friends, it's been 1 hour 5 minutes. Sorry friends, I lost track of the time. So let me show you the battery percent, how much it is in the phone right now. As you can see friends, it's 83 percentage. So for 1 hour of playing this PUBG gameplay with smooth and extreme settings friends. So Redmi right now the battery percent there. Let me check the again temperature as well, how much it is. It's 36 percentage friends. So 36.5. As you can see friends, it's a battery percentage of 83 and 36.5 temperature. So all friends, within even with if we minus the 5 minutes and if we take into the consideration of 84 percentage, so overall that's a decrease of 16 percentage friends for 1 hour of playing just the PUBG game. So let's see friends how long this phone gonna survive. Even though it has 5000 mAh battery, but it doesn't seem like it's holding up. So let's see friends again after 1 hour. So let's see in 2 hours how much the battery will be drained. So as you can see here friends, it's been 2 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device, and let's check how much is the battery percentage here right now. As you can see friends, it's 70 percentage friends after playing for 2 hours continuously the PUBG game with the smooth and extreme settings. So for 2 hours the battery dropped to 70 percentage, and let's check the temperature as well how much it is. So right now it's 38 degrees friends, 39 as well, as you can see 39.3 on the front side. So let me write down the readings here. So you can see here friends, for first 1 hour 83 percentage and then 70 percentage. So again I'll be back after 1 more hour friends. So we'll get to know in 3 hours how much the battery got dropped here. So as you can see here friends, it's been 3 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device, and let's check the battery percent how much it is. So as you can see friends, it's 56 percentage right now after playing for 3 hours friends continuously. So let me write down the battery percent here, 56%, and now I'll be testing the temperature readings as well. So let's check how much the temperature will be there recorded at the moment. 36, 37. So overall the 37 is the highest recorded temperature friends at the moment. So again I'll be back friends after 1 more hour. So as you can clearly see friends, after 4 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game, so let's check the battery percent how much it is in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So as you can see friends, it's 41 percentage. So let me write down the readings. Let me take the temperature reading as well friends. At the moment we can see 40.3 degrees. So 41 as well. So if you are noticed, so 41 degrees friends at the moment. So again I'll be back after 1 more hour. So as you can see here friends, now it's been 5 hours and 4 minutes. So even now I got lost of the track of the time. So let me show you the battery percent friends, how much it is. So 25% friends. So right now the time is 5 hours continuously I have played, and the battery just dropped to 25%. So overall the battery backup is I think pretty good friends, because of considering having the 5000 mAh of battery. In the initially I thought it not gonna survive 4 hours, but definitely now it's gonna survive maybe 6 hour mark as well. So let me write down the battery percentage friends here. I think if this Redmi Note 9 Pro, if it survives more than 5 hours. I think this is the first phone in my channel which got survived this long, friends. So definitely I would like this is another milestone I think in the Redmi phones in having the 5000 mAh of battery. Definitely helpful in playing the game for an extra 1 hour. So let me take the temperature readings as well. As you can see, friends, 34% right now, 33, and so 35, 36. So the temperature is increasing and decreasing, friends, steadily, as you can see here right now. So let me write down the temperature as well here. So 36 degrees, friends, right now at the moment. And again, I'll be back, friends, after 1 hour, and let's check will it survive the 6 hour mark or not. So as you can see, friends, right now it's 6 hours and 1 minute of time continuous playing the PUBG gameplay, friends, in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. And let me show you the battery percent, how much it is right now. As you can see, friends, it's 10% exactly after playing for continuously for 6 hours, friends, with the smooth and extreme settings. And let me take down the even temperature readings as well. So 32 degrees, 34 degrees. So overall 34 degrees is the maximum I got, friends, here. So overall the battery percentage is of 10 percentage. And let me write the temperature also, 34. So overall 10% and 34 degrees, friends. So again I'll be back, friends, once the battery gets close to 0 or 1%. So we'll get to know how many hours you can continuously play the game in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So as you can see, friends, it's been 6 hours and 25 minutes and I'm playing continuously, friends, the Redmi Note 9 Pro device while playing the PUBG. So right now the battery percent is 6%, friends, and I started to feel a little bit of slowdown in the FPS, little bit of lag. I'm getting that kind of feel. So that's why I decided to stop the test here itself, because no one wants to play this game in kind of lag. So that's why I got this kind of figure, friends. 6 hours and 30 minutes of total PUBG gameplay is possible in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device if you are using the smooth and extreme settings and with 50% brightness and with Wi-Fi connection only, disabling the all cellular data, as you can see, friends. So let me show you the overall battery statistics right now. As you can see, it gets a little bit of lag. So when it's low percentage, let me open the battery and let me open the battery statistics so I can understand clearly how many hours I'm playing PUBG game continuously, friends. So you can see the screen on time total 6 hours and 26 minutes. So from the beginning onwards, I'm just playing only the PUBG game non-stop. So as you can see, friends, clearly. So I'm not sure why it's mentioning 11 hours, but overall it should be 6 hours and 26 minutes, friends, in terms of playing the game. So non-stop and without even charging the device, you can see here clearly. And overall, friends, this is a very good, I think, in terms of the battery backup. Having the 5000 mAh of battery capacity is pretty good, helping in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device, friends. So even if you look at the details, you can see I did not even charge while continuously playing the PUBG game. So friends, overall 6 hours and 30 minutes of gameplay is definitely possible in the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and this is very good in terms of the battery backup in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Initially I thought the results were going to be very bad in the first 1 hour, but from the second hour the things started to get changed, as you can see, friends, clearly. So these are overall PUBG battery and test, friends, and do subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video, friends, for more PUBG battery and test. And for any doubts, comment below. That's it for this video, friends. Bye.